Hi, good morning, everyone. It's Hey Jon at Referral Opportunities Nonstop, and today I'll be covering the live opening of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, AMC, and GME to see what is popping. Welcome one, welcome all, and let's see what we can see today, right? Let's check it out and see what's popping, baby. Hopefully everyone's doing well. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. The open so far, we are seeing a sell-off. Wait, no, AMC is popping off here. AMC is popping off. I like it, looks pretty good. AMC is popping off, GME is pulling back, Bitcoin is rising, and Dogecoin is rising. This is great. How's everyone doing today? Pretty fun morning here, right? Pretty fun morning. So AMC is popping off. All right, let's see, AMC is popping off and they're kind of pulling back a little bit. Okay, AMC is popping off, a nice gap up from $26 up to about $32. So about $5 or some change, right? So it's a pretty significant pop off right there. Hey, morning guys and gals. Let's see here. Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? Please smash a like button and see if we can get the crowd going here, right? It's pretty interesting to see here. Pretty interesting. So AMC is still popping off here, right? I told you guys over the weekend. I was telling you guys over the weekend, you know what? AMC is looking pretty bullish, and booyah, it's popping off. GME also gapped up, but it's kind of pulling back right now. So let's see what's going down here, right? Very interesting. Hey guys, good morning. How's everyone doing today? Okay, AMC is popping off and showing more strength than GME currently. Okay, BTC is showing strength. BTC is also showing strength. All right, BTC is showing strength here. Dogecoin is also showing strength. That's very good to see. All right, AMC is kind of pulling back right now. GME is also pulling back as well. So definitely an interesting day. You're seeing AMC do something similar to Friday, where they kind of gapped up and then kind of pulled back the whole day. Let's see if we see a similar action today here, right? All right, folks, can you do me a huge favor by smashing the like button here? Let's make sure people come to the stream, okay? All right. Please do me a huge favor by smashing the like button so we get people in the stream here. Right on. Okay, let's see here. All right, so AMC is still showing strength here. It's pulled back. Let's see. AMC has pulled back $32. Now it's at $32. Now $30. So AMC has pulled back $2 so far. GME has pulled back about $4 as well, even though you saw a nice gap up here. So very interesting. BTC is still rising up here. BTC is still looking bullish in my opinion here. I like it. Looks pretty good. Okay. Very interesting to see here. All right, so yeah, GME and AMC are doing phenomenal right now. Doing phenomenal. They got both AMC and GME both gapped up. It is doing phenomenal right now. And surprisingly, for AMC, instead of selling off instead of selling off like it did on Friday, guess what? It's gapping up. It saw a little dip, and now it's continuing its rise up here. This is great news for AMC. GME isn't showing as much strength so far, but that's okay. We'll see. Don't worry. We will see what's going down here. Yeah, this is great so far. No, Agora isn't on right now because I'm using WEBULL instead. Because I can't put four charts at the same time with TradingView, so I have to use WEBULL instead. So I don't have Agora here. It doesn't matter though. Same difference. All right, so AMC is doing very well this morning here. And GME is pulling back some more than AMC here. So I think GME is showing more weakness than AMC so far. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. I'm very happy to see AMC kind of do a flat line here, and kind of showing some consolidation here. That's fantastic. This is great. Wow. I gotta say, if you are currently in in the trade here, right? For GME or AMC, you are doing phenomenal. Honestly, this is great. Wow. It is doing great. BTC a big drop? Let me see. I don't know. Not really. I mean, BTC is seeing a big drop. It was around like 37K here, right? 37.9. Now it's 36.8. So maybe about a grand pullback. I mean, it sounds like a lot, but for BTC, a grand is nothing though. So. Okay, AMC is showing some more weakness here, still pulling back here. Let's see. Okay, wow. This is great. Look at AMC still going here, right? Even though it's pulling back a little bit, it is showing some significant poise here. So, wow, this is very interesting to see. Let's see the 1 hour perspective here, right? The 1 hour perspective for AMC here, right? It gapped up from $26 all the way up to $32 here, or 30, or yeah. So it started around 26.12 on Friday, and it gapped up to $32, and now it's kind of pulling back on the hourly here, right? But overall, it's looking very bullish though. All the TAs. Let's see if it can keep it though. Right? The only question is, will AMC fill the gap back to $26 here and rise again here, right? So usually I say all gaps get filled, but who knows if today we will see the gap filled here, right? It may take longer than you expect. Sometimes it happens the same days, sometimes it takes longer. It just depends. Okay. Okay. 29? What's 29 you talking about? What's 29? Yeah, I'm not too sure what you're talking about here, so I don't know. Okay. Okay, GME is showing some. Okay, GME is bouncing now, right? GME is bouncing. Let's see for 1 hour chart for GME here. Okay, on Friday I was saying that that GME needs to fill the gap at $216.65 here. So we're fairly close here, right? The last tick went to about 221.50. So we're literally about, you know, $4 away from filling the gap. So I suspect that when GME fills the gap at 216.04, it'll continue a bounce up right there. So just a number to watch out for. AMC is still pulling back, right? AMC is still pulling back. All right. On the 1 minute perspective here, it's showing some weakness here. Let's go into the 15 minute to get a better idea what's going on here. So on the 15 minute, all we're seeing are sales here. That's okay. Probably a long weekend here. People are thinking, you know what? I don't think it'll go any higher, so I don't believe it anymore. So I'm gonna pull it back. That's okay. That's okay. It happens. It's a market open, folks. Expect things to happen. You'll see weakness and you see strength in the same token here. So okay. AMC is currently at 29.42 here, right? Now we're seeing a little bounce here. Not seeing much volume though, but let's see if we can continue going up here. Bitcoin is rising, right? Bitcoin is rising here. It looks looking great. Bitcoin is rising. It looks great here. We're seeing a little U here. We're seeing a nice rise up here. Dogecoin is following it. GME is also rising, and it looks like GME is showing more strength than AMC currently. So that's pretty. That is pretty interesting to see there. All right. Yep. Okay, we're still going here. Oh yes. AMC and GME are starting to show some strength here, right? Everything is showing strength here. Let's see here. Wow, okay. BTC is showing strength in GME, AMC. Everything is ripping and everything's being green. What a fantastic market open. That's what I want to see, baby. Green. Green is good, red is bad. All right, we're still going, folks. We're still going here. Let's see if we can continue the momentum here. This is crazy. We're still bouncing up here, man. Wow, we're still going. I love it. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please tap that like button, please, so we get more viewers here? I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for helping out. This is great. Whoa. This is phenomenal. We're still rocking and rolling, folks. We're rocking and rolling here. Look at that. AMC and GME is showing more strength here. Whoa. This is amazing. Wow. AMC is still going. BTC is still going. GME is, I'm sorry, Dogecoin is still going. This is fantastic, folks. Fantastic. It is a beautiful day right now. Honestly, a beautiful day. Let's see here. Wow, look at GME recovering. GME's recovering. It's almost back at the market open around 230, well, about $234 currently, right? Wow, GME is showing significant poise and significant strength here. AMC not so much, right? GME's almost back to the market open here. This is great. This is great. Wow. Wow. Okay. AMC is showing some weakness here, but you know, that's okay, right? I mean, AMC is seeing significant gains. So, I mean, come on now. Come on now. Let's see what's going on, though. Let's see what's going on, baby. Worcester, Massachusetts. Okay, that's cool. Hey, Roy, I do appreciate you. Roy Wendell, I do appreciate the sub, brother. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, bro. That's awesome. And it's still early, folks. Don't forget, it's still early here, right? It's only about 16 minutes into the opening here, right? Usually the first half an hour is kind of just like, you know, whatever's. The next half an hour will be the real play. So in half an hour, we will see the real plays coming in here. Right now, it's so early, so it's kind of just whatever's. Okay, Jimmy's selling off again. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, folks. So again, we're seeing a nice gap up. I covered AMC and Jimmy over the weekend. I was saying, you know what? AMC is looking very bullish here. And of course, guess what? It gapped up because it looks bullish. And here we are now here, right? And I've been telling everyone in my live streams that, you know what? If you're making profits in AMC, right? There is no shame in taking some profits here. I'm not saying take everything, but it's always prudent to take some off the table here. And maybe 5%, 10%, however you feel, however much you want to take, you know, but don't, you know, because you want to make sure you walk away with some profits here. Because you never know what will happen with these meme stocks here. And of course, I don't give financial advice, just my personal opinion of what I would do. I'm not sure what you're referring to, Jimena. Was pumping, you know. I have four tickers here, right? So I don't know what you're referring to when you say pumping. What, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, AMC, GME? I don't know. The stock market, the crypto market. You know, you have to be a little more specific, right? Because if not, I won't know what you're referring to. Because as you can see, my screen, there's 4 tickers going on. So. Okay. So, okay. Well, I definitely woke up early today. I mean, I'm a little like, for me, you know, I don't really cover market open anymore because I don't really day trade anymore. But you know, I had a request last night from all my Dogecoin people saying, hey, you know what, wake up early, bro. Wake up early, bro, and cover the market open for AMC and GME and take care of us. And I said, okay, I will set my alarm and I will wake up even earlier to make sure I cover AMC and GME. And here I am. I'm a man of my word. If I say I'll do it, I will do it. So here I am. Yeah. So I mean, obviously my voice is a little low right now because I'm still kind of just waking. I'm kind of just waking up here. So I mean, give me 20 minutes here, and I'll probably get going. But for now, I'm just kind of a little more mellow right now. And I do appreciate you guys smashing the like button. I do appreciate 100%. You guys are awesome like that. Because obviously people, you know, come to my stream for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, but you know, I've been in the stock market for a very long time. So for me, this is just like another day in the shop here. So it's taking me back in time here. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see. AMC and GME, they're both showing some strength here, right? AMC is looking like it was a pop back up. It's currently at 30.52. away from $32, about $1.40 right there. And GME is currently at about $230 right here, right? About $3 from, well, $3 and some change from the previous market open here. I suspect that in the next 20 minutes here or 15 minutes here, we may go back to the market open for AMC and GME and continue a rise up here. This could be a very good thing for Dogecoin. I'm sorry, a very good thing for GMC and AME here. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here to cover the market open here, to cover the volatility, to see what's going down. So it's pretty cool so far. Pretty cool. You can see here in the beginning here, right? GME and AMC, when they both did a market open right here, right? There's a ton of sales in the market open, and it kind of pulls back, and now it's kind of recovering, and now it's continuing the charge up here. So this is great. This is great, honestly. Wow. Yeah, man, you guys are very welcome. I may cover GME and AMC, the market opens maybe every day now, because I'm thinking you guys, you know, I'm thinking you guys and gals are into it, and you know what? Let me make sure I take care of you guys, you know. You know, there's always a power hour, so you know that'll be later in the day. And then there'll be noon when everyone, and then there'll be noon when everyone, and then there'll be noon when everyone kind of falls asleep and goes to lunch, so it might dip there. The dollar is going to explode with hyperinflation? Possibly. Possibly. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see. I left AMC at $6 for Doge. All good? Well, I mean, obviously, when you left AMC, right, nobody knew that it would do this. So Sony Shiba, when you made that decision at that point in time, you were making the best decision with the information you had at the point in time right there. So there's no need to look back into it, right? It's okay. It's all good. Okay. Right on. We are rocking and rolling, folks. Rocking and rolling. Yeah, Shiba Inu is doing great right now. Shiba Inu is doing great. I think it's up like maybe 20%, I believe. Around there, I believe. Let's see here. Okay. Our AMC is showing a little bit of weakness here, right? At around $31 here, about 90 cents from the previous open here. So we're showing some weakness right now, and that's okay. That honestly, that is to be expected right here, right? We're seeing AMC at well, I wouldn't say all-time highs, but we're seeing AMC at levels we haven't seen since like 2015, right? The beginning of AMC. So when you see that kind of movement here, I mean, you best believe some folks are gonna take profits here. So. All right, Bitcoin is showing a little sell-off here, right? That's okay. That happens. All right, GME is pulling back. All right, GME is pulling back. That's for sure. Okay, and very the interesting to note here is that GME is pulling back and AMC is still rising here. So it looks like maybe GME is showing some weakness. Yeah, Joseph, I put 10 into 10 G's into GME at $50, and then it was a 39, and then a 50, and then when you got out, it was 140. Yeah, man. Honestly, GME and AMC are very volatile. You know, it's not for everyone here. It's mostly for day traders and gamblers, in my opinion. Here, right? I mean, for some folks who are investing in GME and AMC, I mean, I don't know, man. I mean, the business model is kind of archaic and they're kind of dying off. I mean, you know, to me, this is purely a gambling trade here. And of course, when you gamble, you can make a lot of money here, right? Right? But of course, with GME and AMC, it's also a social movement. Just like Dogecoin, a social movement. So even though I don't believe in the business models, I do believe in the social movement where the people, the folks want to give it to the man being the hedge funds and the hedgies. So that's okay, that's okay. Okay, we're continuing to rock and roll here. We're still rocking and rolling right now, right? Okay, it's currently, all right. So 31.43, we're seeing a little resistance and it kind of pulled back. Let's see if AMC can take it back though. I like what AMC doing so far. AMC is showing a lot of poise and a lot of strength. Okay. All right, Bitcoin is showing some strength here. All right, showing some resolve, and it's starting to flatline here and continue its rise up here. That's amazing. That is amazing for Bitcoin. I love it. I love it when Bitcoin goes up. I don't know about you guys, but Bitcoin is my jam. When it goes up, I get happy. All right. Let's see here. Okay, GME's pulling back again. AMC doing the same thing as well. Okay. All right, but you can see AMC doing a little step here, step here, step here, step here. So let's see, it will continue its trend here. GME saw a nice dip and then saw a little step here. So with GME, you aren't seeing as many steps. With AMC, but with AMC, you're seeing lots of steps here. I need AMC to reach $50 so I can make money on my call. Okay, definitely gonna need to be showing some patience there for 50 bucks. That's definitely gonna be a tall order. In order for AMC to show 50 bucks here, you're looking probably about maybe 80% increase. That's gonna be a tall order. I mean, could it happen? Sure, I hope so. But as you know, with short squeezes, it can rock it up real quick or rock it down real quick. So it's one of those things, very volatile. So have to definitely show some caution and some good judgment here. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please give the video a like so YouTube will share this video with more people here because you like what I'm doing for you guys. So I do appreciate your support. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys 100% here. Let's see if there's any news here. Let's see if there's any AMC news here to see what's going down right here, right? Let's see what AMC doing. Meme stock AMC extends rally, jumps 19% as theater chain sells new shares to investors. Okay. Okay. Shares of AMC surge again Tuesday after the theater chain sold more than 8 million shares to an investment firm. The latest series in a series of capital raises for the struggling company turned meme stock here. So it's very good here. AMC is issuing out more shares here, right? So when AMC is issuing more shares, they will save their own company, of course, at the expense of the stockholders though. But that's okay though, because there is so much inflow and so much influx of volume into AMC right now. It's okay to issue out shares. Because even though you're seeing on the shares issued out here, right? People are buying it so quick, and when you short squeeze the hedge funds, when they cover their calls, when they cover and buy back their short style shares here, right? They'll be buying the new shares that the AMC is issuing out. So these hedge funds will actually be supporting AMC. This is significant and phenomenal. This may be a game changer for AMC though, right? Stocks making the biggest moves in the pre-market: AMC Entertainment, Cloudera, Neo, and more. Awesome. So AMC is selling 8.5 million shares to investment firm Mudrick Capital for $230.5 million following the recent surge in the movie theater operator stock price. AMC plans to use the proceeds to pursue the acquisition of theater assets and leases as well as possible debt reduction. Shares soared 9% in pre-market trading here. This is great, folks. This is great. Oops. Where is it at? Oops. There you go. Sorry, folks. I forgot what I was doing right there. So this is great news here for AMC. Honestly, this is great news for AMC because AMC is debt-ridden, right? Because you know they've been closed for the whole pandemic, so now they're trying to make some money back here, and I'm glad the hedge funds who shorted AMC so far and so hard for so long, they are now paying it back now. Good. I'm pretty sure AMC has tons of leases to pay back right here, right? So, as they say, there is no such thing as a free lunch. All debts have to get paid and all gaps have to get filled. Okay, the GME's pulling back, all right. Okay, I see Bitcoin is showing some stability here. It's kind of doing a little flatline there, right there. Dogecoin is seeing a similar action, but Dogecoin is actually showing some more strength than BTC currently on the chart. So that's pretty interesting to see right there. Is it too late to buy an AMC? I mean, AMC is definitely looking a little sketch right now. I mean, I wouldn't really get into AMC right now, to be honest, because unless you see a strong pullback, because AMC can dip just as hard. But at the same token, the fundamentals for AMC is changing right here, right? The fundamentals for AMC is changing. Before it was heavily dip ridden, and now they're raising funds now through new stock issues here, right? Through new shares being issued, and the hedge funds are paying for it because they're getting squeezed. So AMC could see so AMC could be seeing good gains going into the future. But the true question is that how can AMC fare in a few months from now right here, right? That's a true question here. What happens to AMC and GME when the stimulus money runs out? So that's a true test of AMC and GME. Right now, folks have right now, folks have extra disposable income because they're getting stimulus money here. They're getting the bonus $300. They're getting unemployment here, so they have more discretionary income to spend. But what happens when that stimulus ends though here, right? So I think when it happens, AMC and GME may see a pullback. Again, I'm not trying to be you know, spreading fear or anything. I'm just saying, you know what? Currently, all the stocks are seeing these nice rises due to all the stimulus. So when that goes away, you have to be aware of that, and you need to watch to see what's going down here. But of course, we know there's a proposal for $6 billion more of stimulus though. So one of those things right here, right? How much can you print, and can you print forever? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you could do me a huge, favor here, if you can do me a huge favor by smashing the like button, you'll be telling YouTube you like what Hey Jon does by doing a live stream about the market open of GME, AMC, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin. And I do appreciate your support 100%. Thank you so much for supporting me by smashing the like button. And of course, do not forget to smash that subscribe. And please do not forget to smash that subscribe button as well. Thank you so much, and I appreciate your support. Let's go back to the charts now and see what's popping, baby. Let's see here. So we're seeing GME just, we're seeing AMC just kind of doing a little trend back down here, but making little steps here and there. So let's see if we can continue. Let's see if we can continue the little steps upwards here. All right. In my opinion here, based on the chart so far, AMC is showing a more bullish open than GME. So again, when you guys are asking me questions here, right? When you say is it bullish or bearish here, like for example, Mariam is saying is it bullish or bearish here? I don't know what you're talking to. I don't know what you're referring to. You know, because I'm covering 4 tickers here, right? AMC, GME, Bitcoin, and Dogecoin here. So if you don't put like, is it bullish or bearish for AMC or something? I have no idea what you're asking here, so I can't answer your questions. Wow. Okay, so market open for GME, 534,000 shares sold here, right? Let's see, AMC, 47 million shares sold in the morning open. Wow, that's crazy. That's good. Step11 says, brother, do you think Doge starts to get more bullish after the market? Wait, after the market starts closing for regular stocks? Potentially. But as you know, Dogecoin is trading like Forex. It's 24/7 here. It doesn't really rely on a stock on the traditional New York Stock Exchange here. So, I mean, unless you see the AMC meme holders or GME meme holders sell their positions and go back into Dogecoin, I don't think it really matters, in my opinion. Because the truth is, if the GME holders and AMC holders here, right, for the meme stocks, if they don't sell their stuff here, right, they have no money to buy something else. But that isn't to say that you know they have no dry powder. I'm just saying usually people who go into GME and AMC, they're kind of yellowers, you know, and they kind of go all in and go hard. So that's kind of what I'm saying. Obviously, I'm not saying every single person who's into a GME or AMC are all yellowers, but the majority of them, you know, they have the mentality where they kind of go all in and they go all in and they go hard because they want to make that money and get rich overnight. Okay. So this morning we thought AMC was a bullish news here, offering more shares, and the hedge funds are funding it, and they're contributing to the AMC rise. I like it. Let's see if there's any GME news here, right? Let's see here. Let's see if there's any GME news here. Okay, let's see. Should you accumulate GameStop Corp GME stock Tuesday morning here? Okay. All right, this doesn't really show me anything. Kind of just garbage. Let's see any GME news here. Okay. Nope. No GME news today. That's okay. That's okay, folks. That's okay. I just want to see if there's any fundamentals being changed for GME, and it's starting to rocket again. Holy cow, GME is rocketing, baby. Holy moly. Holy cow, GME is showing significant strength here. Look at that big candlestick here. The volume is about 126,000, 218,000. Let's see, 218, 226. You're seeing about 340. You're seeing about 340,000 shares traded in about 2 minutes here for GME. That is significant. Whoa, look at that. That's fantastic. AMC is still trading a lot of shares as well. 1.7, 1.5, trading a lot of shares as well. Man, people are taking profits right now. But GME is rocking and rolling. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. That is amazing. Bitcoin is rising and going back to the market open around 36,438 right here, right? Currently at 37,257. So we're about maybe 150 bucks away from seeing the market open price here. If that can happen, Bitcoin is going to do a nice rise and go higher here. I'm pretty sure Bitcoin can do it. So let's see what's going down here. Man, this is great. What a great morning. Honestly, I should do more market opens because this is amazing. I like what I see and I see what I like. So again, GME is showing way more strength. AMC is actually showing some weakness here. It is kind of, you know, AMC is showing a lull here, but I suspect the reason why AMC is showing a lull is because they were issuing out new shares and people are a little sketch about that. But at the same token here, the hedge funds are paying for it.
When you join our subscription at Circle
This is
K,
great.
you can grab any sized coffee or fountain drink daily for just $5.99.
So $241.
Save with your mobile number when you check out at Circle K.
Let's see GME from a 4-hour perspective here. Let's go back in time here, right? So currently at $239 here, right? And the all-time high was 345. So we're literally, you know, let's see here. In order for a GME to show some strength here, right? GME needs to break 281.19, okay? All right. Okay. So GME needs to break $277.16 if they want to show some significant strength here, okay? Let's go back here and see what's going down now. Let's see here. Let's see for AMC here. Let's see what's going down. Okay. Alrighty then. All right. So for AMC, we need to break 33.15, okay? For AMC, we need to break 33.15 in order to see a nice continued rise up here. So definitely going to be interesting. Let's see if we can do it over here, right? All right. Let's see for GME showing significant strength. All right, but for AMC, it needs to crack $277.72 there. So it's gonna take some time for it to happen. We are about $33 away from that happening. AMC is about $3 and AMC is $3 away from breaking a new AMC is $3 away from breaking up into a new upcycle and continuing the previous all-time highs when AMC was first initially open IPO'd many years ago. So this could be very good for AMC. All right. Let's see. Okay, Bitcoin is showing a little bit of a lull right now. A little bit of a lull. Let's see if this can continue though. Doge to Mars, absolutely, man. I want Dogecoin to go to Mars. I want the GME and AMC to go to Mars as well. I want everything to go to Mars. Who's gonna love some GME and AME, you know? By the way, is anyone in the live stream here from the Wall Street Bets Reddit community? Just kind of curious if any of you guys and gals here are from the Wall Street Bets community watching my live stream. Let me know in the chat if you are. I always want to give support to my simps. Those Shamars absolutely here. Okay. Wow. Man, oh man, look at that. Look at that, man. GME and AMC showing such poise and such strength right now. Looking really good this morning, actually. Looking very good this morning here. Okay, AMC is back into a low and it's kind of consolidating a little bit. I suspect it's due to all the shares being issued out there. But even though it happened here, even though it happened, we saw a nice gap up because the fundamental news has changed, and AMC is looking more bullish now because they were being smart and they were issuing more shares so they can cover their own depths. That's really good here. That's really good. I believe GME also did a similar action as well during the short squeeze. They were issuing more shares. So at the same token, GME and AMC are following a similar playbook here. When they go to all-time highs, they issue up more shares to cover their initial debt for the company to make the company possibly more solvent. So this is a very good thing to happen here. AMC could be a company to reckon with in the future if they can get rid of their debt. So GME is in a nice upward channel here. Compared to compared to AMC, we're just kind of seeing more of a horizontal trading pattern here. So in my opinion here, GME is showing more strength than AMC currently. Okay. All right, Jimmy's pulling back again. That's okay though. That happens. Okay, Bitcoin is showing a lull. Just kind of doing some sideways trading here for a little bit. Obviously, there's a minute chart here, so it's a little more fast paced. AMC long term is poo. I don't know about that one. I mean, I don't really like the AMC business model because it's a retailer. They have big leases and big mortgages every month to pay, and the way things are looking right now, right? People have lesser and lesser discretionary income. So I think AMC is, I mean, it's hard to say right now because I'm seeing the fundamentals change, as in they're raising more capital here and they could possibly turn it around here, right? So hard to say right now. Hard to say right now. You have to watch and see how much longer and how much more the fundamentals can change. But currently, I like what AMC is doing. They're moving in the right direction. All right. GME is starting to bounce here. Nice. GME is bouncing right around 200, 38.22. It's kind of like where the previous support was. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's see if we can see our nice rise up, baby. Okay. Okay. The AMC and GME are both rising now, right? Even though it's kind of slow, but they're both showing some poise here. That is a good thing to see. Very pleased to say that. Very pleased to show that as well. I like it. Oh no. Okay, AMC is AMC is breaking down. If AMC breaks down below 2084, we could see a possible gap fill to around let me see. Let's see. A gap fill to around 2612 here, okay? So again, if AMC breaks down below 2884, we could see a possible gap fill to about 2615 here, right? So I'm sorry, 2612. So something to be aware of here. And I'm pretty sure there are plenty of people who want to short AMC right now, because most folks don't believe in the business model unless you're a Wall Street Bet simp. If you're a large investor here, you may not believe in it too much, but at the same token here, when you see Wall Street Bets in a meme stock, you may not want to short it because it's hot. And when it's hot, well, you can get squeezed out of your trade. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, Jimmy's pulling back as well here, right? Jimmy's pulling back pretty hard as well. Let's see. The support will be around, let's see here, around 233.77 is going to be the support. Let's see when GME gets around 233.77. Let's see if you can bounce off that support. If not, then it will continue its pullback, and it may pull all the way back to around $222 to fill the gap. So it could happen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you could do me, ladies and gentlemen watching live stream, if you could do me a huge favor by smashing that subscribe button and by smashing the like button, you'll be telling YouTube you appreciate and you like what I do, and I appreciate you for supporting me and doing that for me. So thank you for your support. Thank you so much. I appreciate it 100%. All right, folks, don't forget for GME resistance at $277.72. That is where you gotta watch it to see if it breaks down here. All right, but of course GME has another gap to fill. The gap is around $209.40 here, so we have two gaps to fill. Okay, 209.43 and 221 and $222 here. So there are two gaps to fill. Let's see here. I just joined in. Is it bullish day? Well, Bitcoin is showing some strength here, so yeah, I think it's very good for Dogecoin as well. Bitcoin is showing a nice rise up as well, so. Well, yeah, I said I would do it for you guys here, right? Here I'm doing it, right? Last night and last night's live stream, everyone was saying, "Hey man, hey John, go ahead and cover AMC and GME." I said, "Okay, then I will cover the market open tomorrow." And you know, I said I would do it, and I did it.
KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines. Book your flight today on klm.com.
All right. So GME still pulling back here, no problemo. AMC is also pulling back a little bit as well. That happens. Yep. I do what I say and I say what I do. Unlike other YouTubers. Let's see. Okay. GME and AMC are both pulling back right here, right? But of course, let's see here. Around for AMC, 2884, right? Okay, AMC is breaking down below 2884. This means that we may gap fill all the way down to, all the way down to 2619, folks. Okay. If you're currently in AMC, be careful, okay? Because we just broke down below the support or the previous low of 2084 for a day here, okay? All right, we broke down below the previous low in the market open here. This means we could potentially gap fill all the way down to 2612, and after that, we could see a potential bounce here. Not trying to create FUD or anything, but just something to be aware of, okay, folks? Just something to be aware of, all right? So be careful right now, be careful. Let's see here. GME is still showing quite a bit of strength here. GME is kind of going down here and kind of forming a cup, right? Usually a U. When I see a U, it's a good thing here. So GME could see a nice rise up in the next 15 to 20 minutes here. AMC, not so much right here, right? Because it's starting to trend back down here. But as you know, it's still very early in the day, so just need to watch. Let's see, Bitcoin is still rising here, right? It's kind of doing a little sideways action here, and looking like it wants to plateau a little bit. So we need to see what's going down here. Show a little patience. Okay. Very interesting to see. Both AMC and GME are both starting to bounce up at the same time here. That is definitely interesting to see. Wow, this is great. Can you smell what the Doge is cooking? True that. Can you smell what the Doge is cooking? That's funny here. Oh, nice. AMC is starting to bounce here, right? Let's see here. Okay, let's see what AMC can do here. Currently, we're seeing very weak bounces off of AMC here. So one of those days so far, right? You saw a nice gap up, and if AMC can just stay sideways the whole day here, this could be setting up for a new baseline for the next jump up here. So even though it's looking a little boring here, but at the same token here, for stocks, I say boring is good. Boring means consolidation for the next break up or break down. But in my opinion here, I think it'll be a break up because we're seeing fundamental news change. We're the issue of 8.5 million shares, I believe, right? So that's very good here. Okay. All right. GME is kind of bouncing around 234.01 right there. That's very good. And they did some consolidation right there. So they're kind of creating a new higher base to make a new bounce off point. That's good. Let's see if we can continue that momentum and see it pop up here. Okay. All right then. So let's see what's going down. Oh, nice, nice. Okay, nice. And GME is bouncing off of the new support zone. That's very good. That's very good. AMC, not so much. It's showing a little bit more weakness here on AMC. Okay. All right, Jimmy's still going. I like that. That's amazing. Wow. Look at Jimmy still going here. So is AMC. Okay. It looks like the bulls are waking up here. The bulls are waking up and they say, you know what? I had my coffee. It's time to buy Bitcoin and it's time to buy GME and it's time to buy AMC. This is great. This is great. Okay, all right. I'm seeing a nice U starting to form on the woman chart here. This could be a good thing for AMC here, right? This could be showing for AMC here some. This could be AMC showing some significant poise here, and they want to continue the rally possibly. I like that. I like that. Should I buy more AMC now? I honestly wouldn't, because you're currently at an all-time high and you kind of gapped up. I mean, I don't give financial advice or anything, but right now is not the time to buy AMC. Right now is the time to sell your AMC. Right? You don't buy AMC or you don't buy these meme stocks when they're continuing rising and going higher here, because then you are chasing a trader here, right? What that means is you buy green and you want to sell green. What that translates into is that I want to buy high and I want to sell higher. So I think that at least a fam, I think that's a very dangerous game to play here, right? And to me, that is essentially gambling. If you want to, by all means here, but I don't encourage that kind of behavior, because as you know, when you buy green and you want to sell green, that means you buy high and you want to sell higher. So it's basically playing hot potatoes here, and you could be left with a hot potato and it'll burn your hands. So be careful, okay? I don't encourage that, but if you want to, by all means here, I would say for AMC, if you want to get into AMC, I would say maybe around 26.16 here, right? It's kind of when they fill the gap, right? I don't know when that'll happen. It could happen today or tomorrow or next week or two. But around there is probably the time where you want to get into AMC, when you see a gap fill. Because usually when it happens here, right, when you see a gap fill, you see a nice bounce afterwards. So just food for thought, not financial advice. You know, of course, I encourage everyone to do their own. I encourage everyone to do their own due diligence. Like I said, if you want to, by all means here. I'm just saying that I never buy any stocks or coins at the all-time high. That isn't how I trade. But of course, if you want to trade that way, that is purely up to you. And I've already explained to you the rationale behind it already. So if you don't agree with it, that's okay. If you agree with it, fantastic. As you know, there are many viewers here, and I can't give everyone, you know, risky trades like that, because it's very risky. So I have to be very safe and very cautious when I give out plays. And all of my plays here are gonna be my own personal opinion. Of course, you should always do your own due diligence for sure. Okay, so for GME here, right? Let's see. For GME, the resistance will be around $277.72 here. So just something to wait out for, okay? All right. Let's see, where's the support at for and for GME right here, right? We're seeing a gap here around $209 and about $209.20 here, okay? So I suspect GME will fill that gap sooner rather than later. It could take a few days or a few weeks, but as you know, gaps always get filled. So, and currently right here, right, around $277 here, the resistance here, right? GME got around there and it got rejected. So I think it could potentially go back down to $209 here to fill that gap. When it does that, it can continue a nice rise up again. Hi everybody, good morning everyone. How are y'all doing here? How's everyone doing? Hope y'all doing phenomenal here. GME, AMC, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, all doing phenomenal. So you know what? I'm having a pretty good morning here. Hopefully you guys and gals are too. And of course, if you're new here, if you're just tuning in, please subscribe and please smash that like button, because when you do that, you are telling YouTube, you know what? I like what Hey Jon is doing, and you know what? I want to support him. And please, YouTube, share his video with more people here. And I do appreciate support. Thank you so much. You guys and gals are great. Okay, so GME is still bouncing here, showing more strength. AMC not showing as much strength here. Otis, keep up the good, brother. I saw you retweet that Matt Wallace roast. Bro, I didn't say anything. I just reacted to what I saw and I was like, dang, what happened? I want to know what happened. Do you guys know what happened? Let me know. Let me know in the chat if you know what happened. I have no idea what was going down. I just saw like, whoa, homeboy got lit up right there, you know? That's what I saw. And
making sure everything at Ralph's is fresh. Secret shoppers, spies we hire to expertly inspect our produce department in every store. Their mission is to ensure we have the freshest bananas, lettuce, and more. Now that the secret is out, you know what else is? Tomatoes that are fresher than fresh. Ralph's, fresh for everyone.
Get more ways to save at the Buy 5 or More Save $1 each sale. Just buy 5 or more participating items and save $1 each with card. Ralph's, fresh for everyone.
Okay. How's Doge still going up? What do you mean how's it still going up? I don't follow that statement right there. You mean how is Dogecoin still going up? I mean, well, it's going up because people are buying it. I mean, General Accord. General Accord says, General Accord says the final roast. Holy cow! I would love to tune in to watch that one. That'd be funny. A lot of people think it's gonna dip hard before shooting up. I'm not sure what you're referring to because there are 4 tickers here. So the spring it's called before the rock. Again, not too sure what you're referring to, Matthew Teo. That statement there means nothing to me because it doesn't ring any bells for me, so I'm not too sure what that means. Maybe you can elaborate, but I've never heard that before, so. Okay, let's see. GME is showing some strength again right here, right? Let's see. All right, it's bouncing from $234 here. It's still going back up here. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. Yeah. Dogecoin is in a short-term uptrend, but it has also broke down below. Well, it has also broke the Dogecoin has also broke down below the lower portion of the upper trend line, so it's showing some weakness right now. So it could possibly pull back right now. So let's see, AMC starting looking pretty good here. Okay, let's see here. A lot of people are saying there's a good chance of a flash crash before it rockets to the moon to get higher highs, or it could make a slow upward movement where everyone's worried about a dip again. Well, I personally like slow movements here because slow movements are organic, and that means that when you see slow movements here, that means there are no YouTuber giving it hype, and there are no news giving it hype. So therefore, you're seeing organic growth. And to me, that is way better than a YouTuber hyping it up or news hyping it up. So to me, I prefer that. Oh, so to me, I prefer that one over the YouTuber hype and whatchamacallit, and the news hype. So that's my own personal preference. I prefer the organic growth, where people just buy it because they want to buy it and they believe in it, not because someone is pumping it up. That is the best way to trade and the best way to trend a stock or a cryptocurrency. And then it will show significant strength, and that's what you want, baby. Will we get Elon tweet today? Maybe. Maybe. Could happen. Yeah, but I prefer, honestly, I kind of prefer we don't have any more Elon Musk hype also, you know what I mean? Elon Musk is too much with Dogecoin. Honestly, the man needs to pump dollar down a little bit, you know? Because the man had because Elon Musk has ruined Dogecoin at the same time, because he was well, I wouldn't say he was attacking, but he was showing concern about Bitcoin there, and therefore he was destroying Dogecoin at the same time. Of course, no one is gonna say that right here, right? Because nobody wants to go against Elon Musk, because every YouTuber wants to get views and subscribers because of Elon Musk. So so you not see any YouTubers say that, because they're all hype boys, you know what I mean? So of course, for me, I don't care though. I say what I want to say, and I give you guys my truth, what I think here. So I think that's way more important. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I like what I said. I say what I like. Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will be ending the live stream because I have to go and take care of some business. So if you guys like what I do, please make sure you guys subscribe, like, and notify. So when I go live, you will catch these hits, okay? So take care, and I will catch you all on the next one. And most importantly, do only good every day. And I will catch you guys.